Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about patience builds power. Speed looks attractive. Patience lasts longer. Growth is slow by nature. Rushing breaks rhythm. Wait in strengthens control. Patience trains focus. Results delay. Effort continues. Doubt appears. Patience stays. If you are young, wait longer. Let skills mature. Do not chase shortcuts. Trust time. 10 calm days beat one rushed night. Breathe. Continue. Patience compounds. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.